Hey everyone, MyNamesTee, a community manager here on Valor.tv. Today I'm excited to show you our version 2 of our chat overlay, which is our in-house tool that allows you to add chat on your OBS, whether that's through your stream on your phone or simply on another computer. To get started, we would need to head to our dashboard. To do so, I'm going to click my name at the top right, then click Creator Dashboard. We need to look at our left-hand side. Right here, with a beta tag on it, we need to click Chat Overlay. Now, to actually get started and to actually use our chat overlay, you need to create your first overlay. So we're going to click the Create Your First Overlay button, and welcome to our version 2 of our chat overlay. Now, compared to this being different from our version 1, this one supports multiple platforms. The platforms that are supported are Twitch, Kick, and TikTok. To use one of these platforms, or all of them, it is highly advised that you read the question tooltip here to let you know what it needs from you. Next, we have some layout options. I'm going to increase the zoom so it's easier to see, and I'm going to hide the sidebar. Let's look at our layout options. We have our default column layout, which displays chat on the left-hand side. There's a simulated preview on the right-hand side. A ticker does exactly what it does. It displays chat in a one line that goes from right to left. You can increase the speed or slow it all the way down. Spacing, to space the chat messages from each other, or do you want it a bit more compact? Maximum messages, this goes all the way to 10 messages. Let's go back to the column layout. For the column layout, which direction do you want new messages to come up from? Bottom up or top down? How do you want your text to be aligned? Left, center, or right side? Let's head down to our message style. Here you can add a font, as well as change the size of set text, as simulated here in the preview. The text color touches the actual chat message that comes through in the chat overlay. The username color, you have two options, platform native or custom color of your choice. Platform native means it's the color that they picked, such as orange, green, or blue. Or if you want, you can set a consistent color. Timestamp. Do you want to change how the timestamp is colorized, or do you want it to auto contrast? Message background. Do you want a transparent background, meaning no fancy drop shadows or backgrounds, or do you want to add a bubble? If you choose a bubble, you can pick the color for it, the opacity, how aggressive the rounded corners want it to be, from a square to a full pill, and what do you want the padding to be? Do you want to add a shadow to complement it? Let's scroll down. Overlay background. What this does, it changes the background color for the entire overlay. By default, it is set to transparent, although you can change the different color right here. And you can change the opacity. I quite like this one. Display. Which elements would you like to show in your chat overlay? Platform icons? Timestamps? Usernames? Valora effects like rainbow, glow, and gigantify? Chat badges? Avatars? Or replies? Whichever you prefer, you can toggle right here. Valora events. This one shows gifted subs, system messages from the Valora community chatbot, raids, channel points, bot messages, whether it's our in-house one, third-party emotes. 7TV, BTTV, and FFZ is supported on this overlay. Animations. How would you like messages to appear in chat? Or how would you want them to exit the chat? How fast should they enter? Or how long do you want them to stay in the overlay for? For our tech-savvy people, there is a custom CSS option right here. I'm going to scroll down a little bit, and here you can actually see the recommended sizes for each one of them. For the browser source, you may want to keep this private, as it contains a token that is not supposed to be shown in public, although this chat overlay I will soon be deleting. You can select one of these modes to display how they will show up for you. All you need to do is resize the browser source to these sizes displayed on the right-hand side of these, well, size presets, as well as some complementary instructions on how to add them. With this chat overlay, we hope to bring you one step closer to showing off your amazing community, as well as your community on other platforms, such as here. Please subscribe to the official Valora YouTube channel, where more tutorials, how-tos, and showcase videos are to be expected. See you next time!